Hi, I'm Keith, a local business owner for Workplace Cleaning Solutions. I wanted to say a few words about why I chose Workplace Cleaning Solutions franchise rather than one of the many others on the market. The day-to-day support you get from the team is great, whether that's in terms of both online or in-person training, regular accountability meetings, or just to get some advice over the phone. Of course, you still have to work hard in the early days, but everything is in place to create a successful business, whether that's help with business development and marketing, social media and networking, right down to how to recruit reliable cleaners. At the end of the day, it's all about people, and Anne and Catherine and their team are amongst the most professional, authentic and caring people I've worked with, and I'm sure you will find the same when you speak to them. It really is worth making that call or sending the email just to get some more details. I wish you luck in finding the right franchise for you, and hopefully one day you'll be part of the Workplace Cleaning Solutions team.